Hi kids! Today we're going to explore some amazing emergency vehicles that help keep everyone safe.
Are you ready? Let's go!
This is an ambulance. Ambulance. With flashing lights and fast wheels, it rushes to people who are sick or hurt. Inside, paramedics give quick medical care on the way to the hospital. This is a fire truck. Fire truck. This powerful red engine races to big fires, carrying hoses, tools, and brave firefighters who work together to protect people and buildings. This is a police car. Police car. Zooming across the city with bright lights, this car helps officers keep everyone safe and respond to emergencies quickly. This is a fire ladder truck. Fire ladder truck. Its tall ladder stretches high into the air so firefighters can reach rooftops and rescue people from tall buildings. This is a rescue helicopter. Rescue helicopter. Flying above mountains, forests, and oceans, it reaches people stuck in dangerous places and brings them to safety. This is an airport crash vehicle. Airport crash vehicle. A giant emergency truck made for airports, spraying foam and water to protect airplanes and passengers during accidents. This is a highway patrol car. Highway patrol car. This fast vehicle watches over long highways, helping travelers and making sure everyone follows the rules on busy roads. This is a SWAT truck. SWAT truck. Strong, armored, and packed with gear, it carries special officers who handle the toughest emergency situations. This is a police motorcycle. Police motorcycle. Fast and slim, it zips through traffic so officers can reach emergencies quickly and keep roads safe.